Hey guys, it's me, SnowingPython81, and today I'm showing you a Lego puzzle box 4-in-1. This was made by, what's his name? Lego York, Brick York Man. If you want, subscribe to him. He's a good YouTuber and stuff. He'll show you how to build this. Maybe I'll show you how to build this. I don't know, I might not. So let's get started. So this is the key. He has a different key. Just when I built it, every time it would actually peel off the roof and stuff. So I just decided to make this little key that you pull and stuff. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put that right there, and then lift up. And we get this key off. Okay. And then you have this. You're going to turn it to the side and see right there, you're going to pull that out. Yeah, nothing inside, can't open it and stuff, so it's like, how do I do this? There's no more slidey pieces, this doesn't slide, there's nothing in here. So, let's go back to this. That's why there's an extra wall. So, clamp it down just a little bit. What you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to take this piece out from there, which would allow you to get this. I like going from the inside and pushing it out a little more. It's easier like that. And then move these to the side. If you look in there, you see it right there. There's that. It goes to this hole right here, pushes this out, and then you see this little thing. And then you think, some people might think, okay, so you must push in here and, no. Does this slide in? No. Does the top slide? No. Wait, how do you do that? Huh? You see that right there. And you're gonna push, and you're gonna go back to here. Now it's right here. See right there, that little clear piece. You're gonna pull this out, and this key falls out. And then you go to the back right there, and you're going to push it in, and this thing just shot out like a bullet. And then you can turn this around, and then you can put anything there. I put a 1x1 red piece to be like a ruby or something. Redstone from Minecraft. Yay, Minecraft. Don't listen to that clicking noise in the background. Just, it's the day that you turn the clocks back. An hour? Yeah. Turn the clocks back an hour. That's today. And today is the day for today. So, today is today. Okay, I'm going to take this. You can put that back there. I clamp it down because it does get loose. Wrong one. I always get mixed up with both of them. Put that in there, which prevents it from pushing. And yeah, so that's that. Take this, put it back in there, like that. And right here, you put this little key back. Right, take this piece, put it right in there, like that. Squeeze it because it does get loose. Well, mine does. Put this in there like that. And then what I like putting in this first so this doesn't push on into it. So yeah, I like doing that. And then if you see that hole, oh, whoops, I forgot to put the key in. I forgot to put the key in. Where's the key? Here. Hard to get in. Okay, then it's back there. Then you can push that in like that, and then take this and put it in. Come on, go in there like that, and then here is the key. And yeah, that's how you solve it and stuff. I might show you how to build it, actually. I might just show you how to do it one more time. Just real quick. And then yeah, there's that. Yeah. I'm gonna show you how to build it. Yeah. That's actually gonna be a separate video. So yeah, that was the Lego thing made by Lego Brick York Man, and I'm Snowing Python 81 signing out.